Ugh. She's so slow. Ugh.
You know you love me, I know you care. Show whenever, and I'll be there. You are my love, you are my heart, and we will never.
This is so boring.
Be apart.
Hi. Workout. Hi, everybody. This is the Amanda. Yeah, the Annie and Amanda show. And you're probably, hold on, let me get this camera off here. Okay. You're probably wondering why we're not standing up. Well,
Cripple!
I'm a cripple. Yeah, and I got hit by a car. And, yeah, so I can't really, so I can't really, like, get up and do stuff. But, yeah, so
Anyways, the ground's not cool. Like, act like the weather a lot nicer down here. And
I know!
It's like sunny all the time. But then when you're up there, it's like
Cloudy with a chance of
With the
meatballs up
meatballs.
there. Jeez.
I know. I hated that movie too. I didn't want to go see it because I thought it was really rainy. Yeah.
Yeah, so I'll be out of this cast in 5 weeks. No,
5
this
years?
No, this cast in like 2 more weeks, and then I'll get a walking cast, and I can probably stand up.
What's a walking cast?
A cast you can walk in. But okay. So we didn't really plan this out, did
No,
we?
we didn't.
It's pretty much nothing to do.
Yeah. Besides.
And anyways, BAM!
Sticker bam!
So like anyways, I was like at the store and there's like I was seeing double. What? Okay, anyways.
And then I was kind of like in the middle, like, yeah. Like I could tell fatty like you.
Oh no, she didn't. Oh, that's disgusting. Oh no, she didn't.
What are you saying?
What are you saying, huh? What are you saying? What you say? No, I can't.
Wait.
Oh, dude. Oh, speaking. I don't know.
What you say?
All right, sorry, I had to do that.
Like, listen.
I got a mustache. It's a pretty bad mustache. No, I gotta go to you. What now?
I'm bored now.
Let's prank call people.
We probably should plan this out.
Yeah, we probably should.
My coach likes this song. My coach is uptight.
Zip tight.
How do you lower it? My coach is like uptight and this song. He knows all songs. But he's so awesome.
Awesome. Close the door.
Okay? Close it.
I can't even wiggle my toes. It's worth a try. Girl, can only try.
Oh yeah.
In New York.
We gotta do it right.
Yeah.
They fall around. You like this.
Gotta do this right. Oh man. Nerd time.
Gangsta time. It's called the opposite kind of time.
Oh yeah. Work it.
What did you just call me?
So like. Woo!
Oopsies. You're
Fail.
gonna go nerdy now. You're gonna go nerdy now.
Oh, my bad.
Oh yeah.
Work it. Just kidding. All right.
Oh well.
BRB.